There was a real neat feature that was introduced a number of years ago, and the same feature pretty much holds through to most applications. So that if you learn it on one, you pretty much learn it on all of them, and that is called drag and drop. You can click on a cell, and if you grab it by the hand, not by the corner, but by the hand, you can move that anywhere you like on the screen. If you have a group of numbers, grab by the hand and you can move that pack of numbers wherever you would like on the screen. If you want to grab a couple of names out of there, you can just grab those names and get rid of them if you want to move them to a different place. But there is also the option of, if on the Mac you hold the control key, and I think on the Windows machine it's the alt key, if you put your finger on that and push down when you're holding, excuse me, it's not the alt key, it's the option key on the Mac. You see that plus on the hand that just came up there? Now I can move it and now it copies, so that if you hold down that option key while you're doing this, it becomes a plus right in the middle of the hand. You can see it there. And now you actually copy instead of moving. So be careful that you stay away from this bottom corner, because that bottom corner, as you will recall, is the fill. You can fill right, fill down, etc., etc. So stay away from that one.